Okay, so mag-tutorial ta karon regarding how to laminate an ID. So what I did is I already printed an ID. I actually used a vellum board. You can use photo papers if you wanted to, but I only use a vellum board since this is for practice. Okay, so as you can see, it's nothing here at the back side because again I printed this like this. All right, and second is I have this laminating film. The size is for ID, standard ID. So it's actually available, this one it's actually available in Shopee, and it's already, the good thing about this, there's no need for you to cut the sides because it's already been um, nakat na siya sa standard ng ID, so there's actually no need for you to do that. So ang gagawin natin is i-insert lang natin to, and after that i-insert natin dito sa ating laminating film. So let me just go ahead and do this very quick. Okay, so ito yung ginawa ko. I inserted it here. I'll make sure that the size here is actually the same as the one here, so that when you cut the sides, when you do the cutting, the one that you will be cutting is this one here and this one here. So there's no need for you to cut this all around because it's going to be messy. So since it's already been pre-cut, so just usog mo lang doon, and then it will be easier. All right, so I have that back to back. So we'll now start on have it run through our laminating machine. So the settings I have here is 170. It's up to you, depends on your laminating film. You can search the Google how to do that, but as for me, this is 250 microns, so I'm gonna use 170, and I already hit on, so then just go ahead and have this walk through. It's already been eaten, so let's check what's going to happen. By the way, you have to be very careful with regards to your machine because it's very hot. Okay, so it's already been taken out. As you can see, it's hot, so I'm just gonna do it and put it back again to make sure. All right, goes through. So you can either have it go through the machine twice or thrice, but twice is already good. Alright, so it's already been done. Let's check. So as you can see, it's already been working. So I would suggest also that you use 250 because it's kind of thick. As you can see, it's not really bending. Okay, that's the good thing about 250. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna do the cutting here with my paper cutter, and that's it. All right, thank you so much, guys. You have a wonderful day. Bye. And ito na po yung output ko. Take a look at this. It's really been okay. All right.
So I did it through Photoshop, Photoshop CS4. I edited this one already. I have some customers wanted to have an ID because they lost their ID. So yeah, these are the finished products. I printed it via call this PVC. I mean vellum board. So this is actually not really good quality, sure, because I'm using vellum board, but once I will be using photo paper, it's going to be better. Alright, so if you want to order, just let me know, and I'll be happy to assist you.